Meta just released the Ads CLI. And if you've been advertising on Meta or you have your team in there, you know the Ads Manager was probably the buggiest thing ever. And now they released the CLI. Familiar to any other tool you used in the command line, you can now go directly in your terminal and use Claude, ChatGPT, or any other LLM to manage your ads, to pull reportings, to do whatever you like to do without the risk of being banned because it's their official CLI. So without further ado, let's go right in. And in this video, I want to break down exactly what you can do with the CLI and what you can't. And we can go set up a campaign together live so you guys know exactly what to do and how to install it. I would recommend having something like an IDE, VS Code, or anti-gravity or whatever. So you can go start your session. And then the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have Python installed. If you don't, you can go get that done. And then we're going to go copy this command right here. I'm going to post it in our terminal like so. Now, this is obviously not my terminal. I mean, it's Claude using it, but Claude will know what to do and will execute it in the terminal for me, so that's all good. Now, next, what we got to do is we still got to go get an authentication token. Like if you've done anything with the Facebook API, you'll know this step. It gets a little finicky here. And if you don't know how to get everything set up, just go to Claude and be like, hey, help me authenticate the Meta Ads CLI with my ad account so I can get started. All right, so here it gives you the same step-by-step situation. You go to developer.facebook.com, you go create an app. If you don't have one yet, you can go create one. Then you go create a token, and you get that done. So why don't we just go create a new app? So within the use cases, we want to select this one here. We want to select the business manager, that it should work. We go add our password. Once you have the app done, you come in here, you type in ads management. I added this scope, read ads dataset quality, and then we go and click generate access token. Once you're wired in and you have your token installed and you are in the CLI, you can go create a campaign, specifically an image campaign. Currently, it doesn't allow you to upload videos with it yet, which is kind of a bummer because most of our ads that we do are video ads. However, you could go upload them differently, and there's several ways to do so, and then create the campaign with the assets you have in place. Finally, you can view all of your campaign level performance insights, so everything that happens on the campaign level. You cannot go into detail yet on the ad set level, which is also kind of a bummer. But if you want detailed reporting, I would recommend connecting to the Graph API and pulling that into a dashboard separately anyway. Now, if you run ecom, you can also do catalog ads with the CLI directly and create things like a pixel. Use image ads that we have in our account, and then daily budget can be 10, and then optimization event is lead, landing page is good, targeting US only, advantage plus, copy, yeah, just test, and then pixel correct. Now, and just like that, it went ahead and set up the ads in the ads manager. Here we have the campaign and the ad set. Now, the reason why it didn't create the ads itself is because our app is still in development mode. And if we come over here and click publish, then we can create the ad sets as well. Is this perfect? Will this replace you as a media buyer? Will this, completely replace all of your tasks that you have to do in the Meta Ads Manager? No, of course not. Half of the functions are still missing, but I think it's great to already use it and understand it for simple campaigns like image campaigns, use it for simple reporting because you can notice that this is going to be the future. Pretty soon, we're going to have all of the functions and options available to us as they already are via the API, and you can use them in your CLI as well. And then you can come in here, create campaigns, optimize campaigns, pull creative data for your campaigns, and use it within your apps and your tools to your liking. Now, there's also a Meta Ads MCP available by Pipeboard, which combines a bunch of different MCP servers for Meta Ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, and so on. It works really well. It gives you a little more freedom and options to use it. If you want to create campaigns programmatically, you'll have a little bit more freedom to really use every single notch of the API versus what is available with the official CLI. If you want a full breakdown on this, I'm going to add the video somewhere here on the screen right now. Then follow for more content just like this. See you in the next one.